Residents of Sautawado in Asgaon village were up in arms after witnessing a local hotel discharging its sewage openly onto the main road. The situation escalated as villagers gathered at the site, confronting the hotel staff and demanding immediate action, including sealing the establishment until a permanent solution is implemented. The incident sparked outrage among the locals, who have long been grappling with the issue of improper sewage disposal and parking challenges posed by the numerous hotels in the area. According to locals, the hotel in question was bluntly discharging its sewage onto the public road, posing a severe health hazard and environmental concern. The villagers of Asgaon expressed growing frustration over the lack of proper infrastructure and adherence to regulations by several hotels in the vicinity. They voiced concerns about the lack of designated parking spaces, leading to vehicles being parked haphazardly on the roads, causing traffic congestion and increasing the risk of accidents.
आता दोनपारा हांवें पळयलां हे ड्रेनेज कमिंग फ्रॉम बावरी ऑन द रोड dirty smell. So I turned and came back and I asked these people, what are you giving us? The sheet we have to take and you will take the cream? This is what I asked them. And this is not the first time. It has been several times. Not only me witness and the other colleagues who will talk now, they also will tell they have also witnessed such situation before. I don't know who allowed them to this drainage outlet on the street. Who authorized them? Somebody has authorized them. Somebody has done inspection. I don't know what inspection they have done, and this is the result of it. And we are taking the sheet. Are we there to take the sheet? They are making business, they are making money, and we are the sufferers. Same thing happened last night with Barfly. At night I came there. Both the sites parking. I asked them, why this parking is here? You have parking there. No sir, our parking is full, so we parked it here. I said, you put a sticker there, everything, signboard saying that no parking strictly. And you are, after putting this banner strictly, you are allowing this parking. He said, no, we don't have any option. And so that means you have to go within your limits. If your parking is full, don't allow the customers to come.
Highlighting the gravity of the situation, a local resident recounted a recent incident where a fellow villager sustained a shoulder injury after being struck by a speeding car on the same stretch of road, attributing the accident to the parking woes caused by the hotels.
आणि तुम्ही हांगसर पळयतल्यार हे सगळे सिवेज रस्त्यार सोडलेली आहा, हाची घाणूय येता आनी हांगसर स्लिपूय जावन लोक पडोंक शकता. लास्ट वीक हांगसर एक एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो आनी एका भुरग्याचो शोल्डर मोडलो, पांय मोडलेलो. हो पर्टिक्युलर स्ट्रेच हा 200 मीटर पळय हांगा सावंतवाड्याचेर आमी प्रत्येक फावटी ग्रामसभेन पंचायतीक आसगांव पंचायतीक सांगीत हांगा ट्रॅफिक जॅम जाता म्हणून पंचायतीन दोळे धांपल्यात आपणाचे कांयच एक्शन घेनात. आतां लेटस्ट टू एड टू दीस इज द सिवेज इशू. आनी हे एक हॉटेल न्हय, म्हाका दिसता गेल्या वर्सा 2 हॉटेलांचो तरी आमी झगडला, इस्ट प्रभा विला म्हणून आनी एक अमाडो विस्ता म्हणून, थंयसरूय सिवेज रस्त्यार सोडटाले. सो हे आसगांवान चलना कितें? बेता ते हॉटेल काडटा सिवेज रस्त्यार सोडटा, काडटा सिवेज रस्त्यार सोडटा. आमी कोण आसगांवकार कोण म्हूण सोदमले ते बिल्डर आनी हॉटेलवाले. आनी हेल्थ पंचायतीक जाल्यार पडले नाहीत ना, पंच मेंबरांक जावं सरपंचाक पडले नाहीत ना, हाचेर एक्शन जायत ना. पार्किंग रस्त्याचेर जाता, सिवेज रस्त्याचेर सोडटा, कोणूच एक्शन घेना. आमचो लायफ इज एट रिस्क आनी आसगांवकाराक कितें आयज व्हॅल्यूच ना आमच्या गांवांत. सो हाचे वयर मातशें कितें तरी एक्शन जावंक जाय म्हणून आमी डिमांड करता.
Meanwhile, the hotel staff has assured that such an incident of sewage discharge won't happen again and that the sewage will be disposed of using a sewerage tanker.
कुछ नहीं बोलने से जो प्रॉब्लम था ड्रेनेज का, बाहर रोड पे पानी आ गया, हम उसको टैंकर मंगा के उसको सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं. इसके बाद ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
ये ऐसा फिर से नहीं होगा?
नहीं होगा.
ओके. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था ये?
हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा पीछे हमारा जो मेंटेनेंस में से कहाँ से पानी है वो हम उसको चेक कर रहे हैं. मेंटेनेंस वाले को बुलाया हुआ कहाँ से ये लीकेज आ गया. कल बारिश हुआ, हमको भी नहीं पता, बट उसको हम चेकिंग कर रहे हैं. वो चेकिंग करके हमारा हो जाएगा, हमें श्योरिटी देते हैं ये ऑफिस में.
निरीक्षा गांवकर, मनीष परब and Bhakti Pai Bargi for Goa 365.